welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I thought I would do an unboxing because my Jeffree Star stuff arrived. I'm so freaking excited. I literally have the box of stuff here. So I ordered all this stuff in the last restock, so I wanted to get the put it back shade. I got a bag, I got the pig bundle, and I got a lip balm as well. So just a disclaimer, this video is not about the drama. This is just about the makeup solely and the products that I got, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's crack into it. Also, it was my birthday, so it's like my birthday present to myself, so I'm so freaking excited. So let's open her up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm like, my lid's not gonna stay up. Or maybe if I bend her over. Also, it came in a white box, which I do appreciate because no one's going to steal just a white box compared to a pink box. Just saying. Alright, unwrapping. Alrighty, so it's not wrapped up in any wrapping, which I thought it might have been. So I'm kind of a bit sad, but that's okay. But this is the pink bundle. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's so freaking cool. Yes. So I think what I'm going to do is do a single review of, oh my god, they've all come out. No. Oh geez, where are they all meant to be? I don't know. Okay, that's, oh my god. I was like surprised when I opened it, and I am living for this pink shade. Looks so freaking pretty, like look at that. I just can't get over this packaging. It's so freaking cute. I love it. This is what I wanted. I was gonna get it off Black Swallow, but it didn't have this packaging specifically, and I love it. It's such a like amazing case as well. I really like that. It's really cool. I reckon you could pull that out as well and just have it as like a cute container. But even that, if you just had that as a container, that's super cute. I'm like, that's so cool. It needs to be like on the wall or something. Like, it looks so freaking awesome. Alright, let's crack on to the next one. Oh wow. Wow, this is actually huge. I honestly thought that this bag was gonna be really tiny. This is massive. Oh wow. I'm very, very impressed. This is huge. Oh my gosh. And the little designs on the sides with the stars. Oh my god, this is, I have to do a separate review on this. Just, oh my god, this is stunning. This is stunning. Look how big it is. It's bigger than my freaking face. Oh my god. Obsessed. Obsessed. Oh my god. No, I need to do a separate video on that, guys. Separate videos on all of these, but I just wanted to unbox. So if you are wanting separate videos, they are coming on these things because that needs its own video in itself. Alright, so we've got some more tissues in here. I'm like, do I not get a card? The first time I actually order off the Jeffree Star website and I don't freaking get a card. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Okay, so I've made these, hang on, where's my camera? I have made these lovely artworks up here that have like the Jeffree Star cards on them. And I never order from the site because it's so expensive to order to New Zealand. And I freaking didn't get one in this box. I'm so upset. No. Oh well, that's okay. That's okay. Let's crack on to the next thing. So we have the Shane Dawson lip balm. This one tastes like root beer, called Diet Shane. I am excited to try this as well. I'm like, how pretty is it? It looks like a lip ammo. Oh! That is freaking stunning. Look at her. She is beautiful. Let's pull it out. Ooh! I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her. What does it say? For lips more damaged than our childhoods. Triggered. That's actually so true. Infused with shea butter and vitamin E, a diet root beer sip for your lips. These ones. BTWs. Also, this is the shade Put It Back. Ah, it's so cute. I don't even know what kind of eye look I want to do with this. And I didn't buy the mini like palette because I've got the mini controversy here, and I was like, there's no point buying one to get the exact same colors except this green one. But I'm like, potentially I could actually put the green one in Cry on My Couch or Flat Earth because I don't really like those colors, so could always change it out as well. Also, peek my rat chewing on my freaking palette. Hi. But what was I going to say? Let's open this one up. Oh my god, the little component that it's in is really freaking cute too. Just the little cover. This is the first Jeffree Star shadow that is single, and I really reckon he should sell a lot of them singly, like a lot of the nudes as well, because they are just freaking stunning. And I mean, he's got the packaging for it, but this is it here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. How do I open it without breaking it? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do my makeup and do some harder look with this. It is stunning. Look at that green. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. doesn't smell like anything, by the way. I don't know what I was expecting from that. But yeah, this is shade Put It Back. And the details that's gone into this packaging is really incredible as well. Like, literally on the side, single eyeshadow, Put It Back so you can keep the box. It's got the barcode. Like, it's a full cohesive piece. It's not just like, here you go, it's in a slipcover like Colourpop. You know, she's stepping up her game, Jeffree Star. So yeah, that was all the things that I brought. I brought the bag, the root beer. I got the Put It Back shade, and of course the lip bundle, which I've been wanting for the longest time, and I did try to get when it came out, but then all the sites were glitchy and everything. So yeah, that was my unboxing of the things I got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you guys want single reviews, wait up for them because they'll be coming this week and in the upcoming days. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with subscribe boxes, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!